Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make mopping air freshener at home. If you are new to this channel, you may consider subscribing so that you do not miss any of our videos each time we upload them. Mopping air freshener can be made from the following materials. These are nitrosol, menthol, methanol, color, and perfume. Now before we go into the mixing proper, let's go through the safety precautions you will take as you do this preparation. Avoid direct contact of chemicals with the skin or eyes. Keep all chemicals out of reach of children and do not taste any chemical. Now let's establish the quantity of materials needed to produce about 5 liters of mopping air freshener. Nitrosol 125 gram, menthol 2 tablespoons, methanol 750 ml, color 2 tablespoons, and perfume 80 ml. Now these are the materials. This is nitrosol, this is menthol, and this is methanol. This is color, and this is perfume. Now measure some water into an empty bucket and dissolve the nitrosol in it. Ensure that the nitrosol is completely dissolved in the water. Stir so hard to avoid lumps formation. Now, peradventure lumps are formed, you can filter the nitrosol solution using a fine sieve in order to remove the lumps. Now dissolve the menthol in the methanol. Now add the menthol and methanol solution to the nitrosol solution. Now stir the solution. Now you can add your color. And now you can add your perfume. And now, ladies and gentlemen, your mopping air freshener is ready for use. You can add it to your mopping water each time you want to mop your floor. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. You can also follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.